Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about valve, top burner for Southbend part number 11788202. Valve, top burner for Southbend part number 11788202 is a replacement part for Southbend gas ranges. It is a gas valve that controls the flow of gas to the top burner on the range. The valve is made of metal and has two ports, one for the incoming gas line and one for the outgoing burner line. It also has an adjustment knob that allows you to adjust the flow of gas to the burner. This part is designed to fit Southbend models 10 to 60, 10 to 80, 10 to 90, and 10 to 100. It is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part and is designed to meet or exceed all original MNUFA. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty or damaged top burner valve on a Southbend range. It can fix symptoms such as the burner not lighting, the flame being too low or too high, or the burner not turning off. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the stove. 2. Remove the existing burner and any debris from the stove top. 3. Place the new burner in position on the stove top and secure it with screws or bolts if necessary. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the new burner using a flexible gas connector or other approved connection method. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for leaks using a soapy water solution or other approved leak detection method. 6. Test the new burner by lighting it and adjusting the flame height as needed. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.fpsccom to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.